Congratulations to the winners of the category A. And now let's have the category B. Okay, fifth place. Fifth place. So boys, wala pa kay, wala siya. Okay, for the girl, fifth place, Sophia Oring. And ano siya, saan na siya? Okay. Jayways. For the category B. Okay, we have CJ Ken Sugawa and Angel May Calo.
Dili sana mo gawas ang winners kay Kuan sa picture.
Charles Nathan Balbuena and Rosalina